The 2025 Mazda CX-50 2.5S Premium all-wheel drive delivers a bold, rugged look with refined touches. Brought to you by Berge Mazda, its wide stance, black cladding, and sleek LED headlights give it an adventurous yet premium presence. The power panoramic moonroof and 19-inch alloy wheels add upscale appeal to its outdoor-ready design. Equipped with a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 187 horsepower and paired with standard i-Activ all-wheel drive, the CX-50 offers balanced, confident performance. Mazda's G-vectoring Control Plus enhances handling precision, making it as fun to drive on twisty roads as it is capable off the beaten path. The rear seating area provides comfort and versatility, with generous legroom and supportive cushioning. Rear passengers benefit from amenities like rear air vents and heated seats, making longer drives feel more premium and accommodating for all. Inside, the CX-50 2.5S Premium feels luxurious and purposeful. Leather-trimmed seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and a thoughtfully designed dashboard showcase Mazda's attention to detail. The cabin is quiet, modern, and driver-focused, with a horizontal layout that emphasizes width and clarity. The CX-50 includes Mazda's i-Activ Sense safety suite with blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane keep assist, radar cruise control with stop and go, and smart brake support. It's designed to keep you aware, protected, and confident in all driving conditions. A 10.25-inch center display is standard, along with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Mazda Connect infotainment system is intuitive and pairs seamlessly with a 12-speaker Bose premium audio system for immersive sound. A head-up display and active driving display keep essential info in your line of sight. Convenience shines with features like heated front and rear seats, a 10-way power driver seat with memory, dual-zone climate control, and a power liftgate. The available HomeLink mirror and auto-dimming features round out a suite built for everyday ease. The 2025 Mazda CX-50 2.5S Premium blends upscale refinement with rugged capability. With confident all-wheel drive performance, a luxurious cabin, and modern tech, it's the perfect companion for drivers who want everyday versatility with a touch of adventure. You can view our selection at bergemazda.com, give us a call at 480-498-5614, or visit our showroom today.